is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Another one today that's not so instant. This is from Yoko Street, and this is their udon with simmered beef and fish cake. Udon noodles, simmered beef, and onion, soy sauce broth, and fish cake, and scallions. Scallions. So here's our noodle. Here's our broth. Our fish cake, and our beef. I didn't see scallions, but I have scallions. So, it might be beef with scallions, I don't know. But, yeah, so there's our beef, and our sauce, and our this, and our that, and our other thing. Let's make sure it's nice and securely down in the water. And then we go, bam, and it is time to go. So, yeah, what's shaking? I'm having a freaking wonder fest of a Monday. Oh, I could show you the arcade machine. You want to do that? Let's do that. Yeah, come on. So, God, I'm really stoked on this new little monopod thing. Oh, crap. No. No. I don't want to turn on the AC. Yeah, go away. Just close. There you go. All good. Okay. So let's see, there it is. I can get a zoom in on that, right? We'll see if that works. Alexa, turn on arcade. Here, maybe this will work better. I will. Oh, wow. It's nice because it's like I've never extended it all the way yet. And it's freaking solid. I don't know. Hopefully you can see that once it loads up. There it goes. It doesn't have the game I hoped it would. Let's see if that works. There we go. Oh, did I start the timer? God, I hope I did. I did. Good. Okay. So that seems to be working. But now, this one and this one, they both work. Oh, and you can do favorites on it. You can save your spot. So it'll also do, like... It's got it by different systems. So right now, this is Game Boy Tetris. Which is like... It's a favorite of mine. The problem right now is that the screen is offset, but I just got to take the glass off and tap a thing on the monitor and that'll fix it, so that'll be the next thing to do. Let's see. Oh, well, I'm trying to figure out how to get it down there so I can change the music. Yeah, my mom used to sit at the dinner table playing this on an actual old school Game Boy, like all the time. She was like a junkie for this game. My mom was quite the gamer. She really liked playing like, oh, what did she play? Candy Crush. A lot. Like a whole heck of a lot. Well, it's because I'm under the gun right now, you know? I usually don't suck at Tetris, but I'm kind of sucking right now. There we go. Boink. quite a few good Tetris documentaries on YouTube, if you're into such things. It's kind of got a weird history about the developer and all the stuff to it. And now there's a kid who's like, I don't remember how old he is, but he's really freaking young, and he like got it to the point that it like flips the counter, or it locks up the game because there's no more addressable RAM, blah blah blah. Pretty snazzy. Yeah. Uh-oh. Should be getting a straight one in a second. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, oh! No, I don't want to play it again. You hold it down, and you go to exit game, and it brings it back. But yeah, pretty snazzy. And you can set favorites, so you can just make a list of favorites, and then you can search. So like if I wanted to play Frogger, I don't really want to play Frogger, but whoa, different version of Frogger. Or Mr. Pac-Man, or Miss Pac-Man, or Pac-Baby deal thing, or a lot of packing. Whee! Yep. Don't get hit by the trucks, frog guy. Ooh, I got a... Yeah. I think we're about done. We got a minute left. Trying to heat the Wawa. Let's put this back down the way it goes. Wow, this thing is freaking stiff. I'm stoked on that. This thing is where it's at. I've been needing this thing to get all like the way it should be, and it's the way it should be. Oh, you've been looking at my shirt. I see. Whoa, back off now. I think I fixed it. I'm really hoping so. Yeah, it looks like that worked. Okay. So this is pretty much all 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's do this one. This is the Udon. Okay. There's our bowl. Of hot, boiling, hot noodle. Udon. Noodle. Udon or noodle? Let go. Get out of there. Come on. There you go. Good udon. So there's our udon. Our 8 ounces of water are ready to immerse and do. Here is the broth. Oh, I think I did that last time I did some of these. Like I almost dumped the concentrated broth. When I should not have. Supposed to be a soy sauce broth. It's tasty. There's that. Then we got our violently hot beef. Not spicy hot, but hot because it's been boiled on the stove and all that. So let's put this right about here. Beefy. And then finally we do have some fish cake. And here is our fish cake. Come on, open up. Take a nice big wide open mouth head and let go of the magical bits. Oh, good freaking God. That is some hot fish cake, folks. I think I'll just use both of them. There you go. And then we've got... we're not using that. We're going to use just this. So... right like there. A little bit of mung bean sprout. Right like there. I think sesame. I think I'm gonna use a little sesame. Well, that's all you got, dude. They just liquidated your assets. Alright, well I'm gonna take the pretty pictures and be right back. Okay, let's take our pretty pictures. There we go, right. That's good. Alright. I'm already getting ready to do the next set, so let's get that about to go. Oh God, did I not? Okay. Yeah. It can still be recording, that's fine. I'm good with that. So let's give this a real quick try. So here's our beef. Very curious about the beef. Looks good. It's very, very tender, works well. The udon. Gudon udon. Really good beef. Broth. And I've had fish cake a million times. This is a nice cut, nice angle. I will save that for the next one of theirs that I'm doing. But yeah, and the next one I'm doing will be a miso. So check that out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Ranger wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.